Hey Conestoga students, just arrived to Canada and you're wondering how to get around? We got you.
Today we are showing you everything you need to know about the GRT transit system.
In the Waterloo Region, there are two ways to get around: the GRT buses and the Iron Line rail. Yeah.
The GRT runs between Kitchener, Waterloo and Cambridge, stopping at key places like Conestoga Mall, Fairway Station and downtown Kitchener. To ride the GRT, you will need an EasyGO card, but if you're a Conestoga student, your pass is included with your tuition fees and you can tap your one card and ride all the GRT buses and Iron Line train.
Running low on funds? No problem. You can reload your EasyGO card online or at the machines like this in major transit hubs. And that was your crash course on transit. But if you have any questions,
Drop them in the comments. Safe travels and see you on the next video.